Girl, why do you create? No, genuinely, why do you create? Not why you post, not why you share, not why you consume content. Just why do you create? For the longest time, I've never really had an answer myself either. Then one day I came across this one reel that said, we spend so much time consuming, but not nearly enough time, creating. But for some reason, that thought never left me of why we don't spend enough time actually creating. Every day we scroll through hundreds of other people's lives, their memories, their stories, their experiences, and somewhere along that way, I craved for it too. I realized that I wanted to create some of my own, and that's one of the huge reasons why I want to record my life, why I want to document it. Not because every moment is exciting, not because every moment is the best that there could be, but because every moment is worth remembering, at least for me. I think we're all waiting for some grand chapter of our lives to we start documenting it. We're waiting for it. Like, we'll start documenting our lives after we have joined that job, after we start college. We tell ourselves that we'll take more photos when we are more happier, record more videos when we are more confident, start creating when we are better at it. But life is happening right now. This version of me is happening right now. The awkwardness, the uncertain 18-year-old who has absolutely no idea where she'll be in 10 years. And maybe that's exactly the version that I want to remember. Because one day when I'm sitting somewhere, 17-year-old, quite old and weary, I'd love to hear this version of myself speak. This dumb 18-year-old version of me who's uncertain. I'd love to hear her talk about her dreams, the future she couldn't stop worrying about at that time, the things she thought mattered. And maybe I'll smile when I'll watch it. Maybe I'll laugh at all the things I stressed over. Maybe I'll realize everything worked out in ways I couldn't have imagined. But either way, I'll have a piece of her. A little time capsule, if you will. Proof that she was here. I think that's what creating is for me. It's not about views or algorithms. It's about leaving breadcrumbs for your future self. It's about holding on to ordinary moments before they quietly become the moments I miss the most. So I record the walks, the conversations, the random thoughts, the boring days, the literally dumb yaps, and the beautiful ones too, obviously, also. Because years from now, these little videos might be all that's left of the moments that once felt infinite. And I want them to exist somewhere, safe in a tiny corner of the internet, if you will, waiting for me to come back and remember, maybe. Maybe that's why I create. So that one day when these moments are gone, I can still visit them and smile maybe.
Yeah, just the way it was always meant to be. Peace.